Hello everyone, welcome to your online music class. In this video, we are going to learn one small filler that we can use with the Western rhythm. At first, let me demonstrate it to you. 1, 2, here we go. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and now 1. Let's break it down now. It is very simple filler. What we are doing is we are just adding the and or on the mid tone with the fourth beat like this and or, and make sure you start with your left hand and or. The rest of the rhythmic pattern is exactly the same. Let me show it to you one more time. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and now 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and now 1. Now let's try this filler with the rhythm. Ready? 1, 2, here we go. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4. And 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4. And a 1. So that's all for the today's lesson. And now I want you to practice this filler on your Congo. If you don't have the Congo, then just grab the pillow and start practicing. And most important, have fun. Thank you. Bye bye.